Everyone, this is Indra. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to find out the password of connected Wi-Fi on our computer. If our computer is connected with any Wi-Fi, then we can easily find out its password. Here I will show you two methods to find out the connected Wi-Fi password on our computer. Please watch this video till the end. First of all, let me show you. Here one Wi-Fi is connected on my device. Here this one Wi-Fi is connected here on my computer. Let me show you what is the name of this Wi-Fi. Here you can see this Wi-Fi Indra Wi-Fi underscore FKSR is connected on my computer. To find its password, let's go to the network and internet setting first. Let's go network and internet setting just by clicking here. And this is our network and internet setting, and here we can see one option for Wi-Fi. Our device is connected with the Wi-Fi. Let's go to this option for Wi-Fi. Let's click here. And here we can see one option for network and sharing center. Let's go to the network and sharing center just by clicking here. And here this is network and sharing center. We can see here one access type, which is internet, and the connections is Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi name is here showing. Indra Wi-Fi underscore FKSR is here showing. We are going to find out its password. This Wi-Fi is connected on my computer. It is now connected on my device. Okay, and let's click here. And here one dialog box is here opened, and here we can see one dialog box for that Wi-Fi status, and here we can see one option for wireless properties. Let's click here to show the wireless properties of that Wi-Fi. And here name is here SSID, here which is also called as the name, and here the network type, access point, all users. And let's go to the security to find its password. We have to go to the security here. Here we can see one option for security. Let's go here just by clicking here, and here we can see security type which is WPA2 personal, and here the next option is here encryption type. Okay, this is here AES, and here the next thing is here network security key. We need network security key, that is just the password of that Wi-Fi. Network security key, it means it is Wi-Fi password, and let's show its characters here. And here we can see this is Wi-Fi password which is connected to our computer. Okay, this is one way to find the password of connected Wi-Fi on our computer. Let me show you the another way to find the connected Wi-Fi password on our computer. For that we have to go to the search bar here. Let's go here and let's type CMD. Okay, CMD means command prompt, and here we can see command prompt, and let's right click to this, and here we can run the command prompt as a administrator. Let's run command prompt as a administrator. Let's click here. Okay, it is loading. Okay, this is our command prompt, and let's do some coding on this command prompt to find the connected Wi-Fi password here. Okay, let me just type here. First of all, we have to type NETSS. First type NETSS and then give one space and type WLAN and then give one more space. NETSS space WLAN space and then show profile. SHW show and space profile, 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 and then give one space, and then type NAME name equals to Here name equals to means let's type the connected Wi-Fi name. Here we can view, we can see the what is the name of connected Wi-Fi on our computer just by clicking here. Here we can see this Wi-Fi Indra Wi-Fi underscore FKAzar is now connecting on our device. The name of the Wi-Fi is this Wi-Fi name. Okay, and let me type its name here. Name equals to Wi-Fi name, which is here Indra Wi-Fi underscore FKAzar. This Wi-Fi name, this Wi-Fi is now connecting on my device. Name equals to Wi-Fi name, and then giving one space, and let's type key equals to clear, CLEAR, clear. Okay, after typing this codes, let's press the enter key. Let's hit the enter key. Okay, and here the profile Indra Wi-Fi underscore FPKR. Okay, it is mistakenly typed here. This is not the Wi-Fi name. Let me just go here and let me type correctly. Here this is FPKR, but here FPKR is only typed. We have to type very correctly. Here one notification is not found on the system, so let me just correct. Let me once again copy this all the, okay, from here. Okay, let's copy Control C and let's paste here, Control V, and let me go to here to correct here the Wi-Fi name. Okay, let's go here, FPK and then SR, FPKAzar, and let's hit the enter. Okay, now it is round here. Yeah, the code for finding the Wi-Fi password, you have to memorize this code. Okay, let me just show once again. NATSHWLAN show profile name equals to Wi-Fi name. You have to type the Wi-Fi name very correctly, and key equals to clear. Now this coding is here round, and we can see here so many information about the connected Wi-Fi. Here name, we can see the name, type and versions here, control options, all the data are here available. And let's go to the security setting. Here in the security setting, authentication is here WPA2, this is security type, and here we need the security key. Here security key is present here, and the key content is here showing. This is the Wi-Fi password which is connected on this device. Here key content, it is the security key. The security key is here showing. This is the required Wi-Fi password that Wi-Fi is connected on our computer.